Good morning. How are you today?
Morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
I'm fine.
I'm fine, thank you,
yeah,
ma'am.
fine. Okay, fine. Thank you too. Today learn in English presentation second group. I'm so sorry, come late again. Today trouble internet ya. Jadi saya baru ternyata di sini wifi-nya tidak memungkinkan, jadi saya pakai paketan. It's okay. Today learn in English second group presentation. The topic mana? Di share coba PPT-nya. Paper makalahnya di share sekarang. Come on. The topic tentang apa judulnya kamu? Presentation-nya. The last week kan nouns and article. Coba siapa? Ini tentang apa? Pronouns. Ya, share. Ya. Biar teman-teman kalian menyimaknya dan membacanya dan di-download. Jadi PPT itu satu hari mau presentasi itu di-share dulu ya, Nak. Nanti malamnya itu saya akan membacanya, menyimaknya. Jangan sampai disuruh dulu sama ibu baru. Oke, good job. Oke. Anda siap untuk merekod dari Zoom meeting ini? Sudah direkod? Sebentar ya, ada telepon. Oke. Oke, everyone. Before presentation in the class, say together Basmalah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Presentation second group, the topics material pronouns, kata ganti artinya ya pronouns itu. Member group Indra Setiawan, Nur Alfat, and then Fajri, Hasnah, Dinastia, Huria. Oke, would you please ya di sini coba lihat. Oh, ada 4 ya. Sorry. Anda dikasih nama panjang di sini atunya full name nih. Ya, 4 person. I'm so sorry. Indra Setiawan, and then Fajri, nah, and then Anissa, and after that Intan. Ya, ini benar namanya pendek amat, Anissa sama Intan. Ya, lengkap, full name ya. Oke, would you please presentation today, opening in the class, Zoom meeting.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, our friend.
Good morning to
The Honorable Miss Lecturer Rahima, MPD, SPDI, and all my friends who I am proud of. First of all, let us praise the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, because with His grace we can join in this English course meeting. In this presentation, we will discuss. Let's start this meeting by reading Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you. For the next agenda is the presentation. We will be Ica Anissa Nur.
Meaning of pronouns. A pronoun is a word that vacation to reply a noun. Penguins. There are 18 different kinds of penguins, and they all live south of equator. The largest are the emperor penguins, which live in Antarctica. They lay their eggs about 50 miles from from the coast. There the penguins have nothing to make a nest out of, but the eggs cannot be laid directly on the ice, or they would freeze. The emperor penguins have to take care of their eggs in a special way. The family products one egg as soon as she lays her egg. The male penguin rolls in on top of his feet. A special fold of skin on the bottom of his stomach comes down over the eggs to protect it from the cold. For 2 months, the male penguins stand together to protect themselves from the cold with their egg on their feet. They cannot move or eat. The film goes to find food as soon as she lays her egg. Finally, after 2 months, he returns and takes egg from the male. The male penguin, which now has had no food for 2 months, returns to the sea. After the egg has the film and the male take turn carrying the baby penguins on their feet when the water gets cold. The baby is covered by the fold of skin which keep it warm. Introduction. Exercise 1. Number 1. Where the emperor penguins live? Number 2. How many eggs does the male emperor produce at a time? Number 3. What does the male emperor penguins use to protect the egg from the cold? Number 4. Why do the male emperor penguins use to protect the egg from the cold? Number 5. Where do the males put their eggs when they stand together? Number 6. Where does the femme go? Number 7. When does she return? Number 8. What does the male penguins do after she return? Okay, guys, can anyone answer?
I want to answer number 1.
Okay, on. Hello. Yeah, which is please. Intan.
Yes, ma'am.
Intan.
Yes.
Ya,
Okay,
silakan.
everyone. Who's the other? One answer the question. Kaila, what the answer from the question number 1?
Yes. They are live in Antarctica.
Okay. For another question, who's one answer? Come on, guys.
Ya,
Everyone. Okay, for number 2, the question is, how many eggs does the female emperor produce at a time? Who's one answer the question?
The female only produces 1 egg.
Okay, Kayla, it's right.
Thank you.
Okay, for number 3, what does the male emperor penguin use to protect the egg from
coba
the
on
cold?
cam. On cam deh. Ini kok pada close cam semua sih? Kuliah atau tidak ini? Close cam semua. Pada tutup kamera. Coba on cam dulu deh. Gimana saya mau absensi nih? Nanti laporan absensinya fotonya itu kan kalau kalian close kamera bagaimana ini? Laporannya. Nah, iya jangan close kamera, nah nggak apa-apa. Apa sih yang dilihat? Kecuali kalian tidur tuh baru. Oh ya, oke, Lana. Gatsumada. Ya. Siti Mariam. Siti Mariam. Are you sleeping? Shirley, Rosita, Dinda. Shirley, Adinda Nur Rahma, jangan sampai Mem Rohima manggil terus nih. Anissa Nur Rahma, Dika, Nabila, Mariam. Ya. Ya sudah, saya cukup manggil itu aja. Kalau Anda masih tetap close, saya anggap Anda tidak masuk. Selama pembelajaran dengan Mem Rohima, Anda harus on cam. Kalau tidak on cam, saya anggap Anda tidak masuk hari ini. Ya, lanjut. Silakan.
Yes, ma'am. For number 3, what does the male emperor penguin use to protect the egg from the cold? Who's one answer the question? Everyone? Who's one answer the question? For number 3,
He used the top of his feet to protect the egg from cold.
Okay.
Yes.
For number 4, why do the male emperor penguins use to protect the egg from the cold? Who's one answer the question? Anyone? Kayla, you want answer the question? For number 4?
He keeps his egg warm.
Okay.
Yes.
For number 5, where do the males put their egg when they stand together? Who's one answer the question?
I answer number
Yes.
5.
Yes. Okay.
The
What the
answer
answer?
is between their feet and poucher. Yeah.
Okay, good job. For number 6, where does the female go? Who's one answer?
I
Kayla
answer
or
where
Dita?
the female go. She goes to find some food.
Yes. Okay. For number 7, when does she return? Anyone can answer the question?
Return itu. When does she return? Bukan return, salah. Dibacanya returns.
Okay, ma'am, I'm sorry. Who's one answer?
In answer, after 2 months, she returns and takes egg from the male.
Okay.
Return. Bacanya bukan return. Return.
Return.
Yes, ma'am.
Return. Okay, for number 8, what does the male penguin do after she return? Who's one answer the question?
Okay. Next slide. The last question, number 8. Was that the male penguin to do after she returns? Dan the answer. Oke, the next slide. Silakan. Indah, dilanjutkan. Nanti time is over, waktunya nggak keburu.
Yes, ma'am. Exercise 2. From the reading work of the reader, these statements are true or false. Number 1, there are no penguins on the northern pole. True or false? Number 2, all penguins live south of the equator. True or false? Number 3, all penguins are the same. True or false? Number 5 and number 4, all penguins have folds under their.
Halo? Langsung jawabannya aja. Misalkan there are no penguins on the North Pole, the answer true gitu. Jadi bukan dibaca true or false, true or false. Langsung jawabannya apa? Gitu aja. Jadi audiens nanti paham. Oh ini jawabannya true. Oh ini jawabannya false. Oh ini jawabannya number 3 true gitu. Langsung dikasih tebelin atau diwarnain. Silakan. Ya, jangan true or false, true or false, true or false. No, langsung dijawab seketika hari itu juga. Come on. Number 4, coba. All penguins have 4 under their abdomen. Abdomen. The answer apa? Hah? The answer apa? Number 4.
True, ma'am.
Ya sudah, langsung. False-nya di-delete. Gak usah dicantumin lagi. Ini dicantumin semua. Anda revisi nih. Ya. Jadi langsung dijawab. Ya, oke. False-nya dihapus, di-delete itu. Oke,
Yes,
number
ma'am.
5. Number 5. Ya, Wucus please, silakan. Oke, Wucus please, dibaca.
Okay, ma'am. Number 5.
Yeah.
The fold of skin is used only to keep the egg warm. The answer is true.
Ya, the answer, bacanya D, bukan the, salah. The answer
Oke,
salah. Karena
The
itu
answer.
ya D. Ya, tulisannya the tapi dibacanya D karena di depannya itu huruf vokal A I U E O.
Yes,
Ya,
ma'am.
the answer. Oke, number 6.
Number 6. Only the female take care of the penguin chick. The answer is false.
The answer.
The answer is false.
Yes, next.
Number 7. Emperor penguins do not make nests. The answer is true.
Yes, next.
Number 8. Emperor penguin lay their egg very near the sea. The answer is false.
Next slide.
Vocation of pronouns. To replace a person or thing at the position of the subject, subject pronouns. To replace a person or thing at the position of the object, object pronouns. To show the property of an object, possessive adjective. As a possessive pronoun, possessive pronouns. They explain something done for itself. Reflex pronouns. Before learning the use of pronouns in English sentence, you must memorize the meaning of the words from the pronouns below. Subject pronouns. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Arti katanya aku atau saya, kamu, kami atau kami, kita, mereka, dia, laki-laki, dia, perempuan, ini. Object pronouns. Me, you, us, them, her, him, it. Arti kata aku atau saya, kamu, kami, kita, mereka, dia, perempuan, dia, laki-laki, ini.
Exercise 4. Correct the pronoun errors in the following sentence where necessary. Number 1. He helped she take care of the baby penguin. You want to answer that question?
Okay, the correct pronouns, the correct the pronouns error in the following sentences where necessary. Ini langsung jawabannya. Di bawahnya dijawab. He, she take care of the baby penguin. Itu soalnya, ini soalnya atau ini jawabannya?
Ini soalnya, Miss.
Nah, jawabannya di bawah. Ya, jawabannya langsung di bawahnya. Jawaban yang benernya di answer the best answer-nya apa? Nanti revisi nih ya. Paham?
Yes,
Miss.
ma'am.
Ini kan ini kan baru soal. She take care of the baby penguins. Nah, kan di sini kok masih kalimatnya masih belum belum beres gitu. Maka harus buat kalimat yang bagusnya gitu kan. Di sini correct the pronouns. Ya, the pronouns error in the following sentences ya necessary. Nah, ini masih berbentuk soal semua. Nah, di bawahnya kayak number nih, second number, she lays her egg and then leaves. Nah, ini jawaban yang betulnya seperti apa? Di bawahnya dijawab gitu ya. Oke, ini revisit. Next slide coba. Next slide. Nah, ini tadi answer-nya jangan di beda slide. Ya. Nah, ini kan answer yang tadi di exercise 6 ya. Jadi ini enggak boleh seperti ini, langsung jawabannya di bawahnya. Begitu buat jawabannya di bawahnya gitu. Jadi tertata rapi gitu ya. Oke, next. Ya, oke. Which is please possessive adjective.
Possessive adjective. My, your, our, their, hers, his, its. The meaning is ku, mu, kami, atau kita, mereka, nya perempuan, nya laki-laki, nya benda atau hewan. Exercise 5. Fill in the following dots using pronoun. Number 1, she lays egg.
Nah, ini juga sama exercise 5 tuh. Fill in the following dots using pronouns. She lies. She lies bla 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 eggs. Nah, ini jawabannya ada, pasti Anda tulis di slide berikutnya ya. Betul nggak? Nah,
Yes.
iya, her. Jangan begini, dipindahkan ya. Ya, oke. Jadi kamu revisi total ini. Her. Jadi she lies her eggs. Ya, kenapa menggunakan her? Kenapa nggak menggunakan his? Kenapa? Karena she. Ya, di sininya ada pronoun she, kata penggantinya she. Maka objek posesifnya apa tadi? Her, bukan his. Kalau his itu untuk laki-laki. Itu kamu harus penjelasannya begitu seperti mem. Dijelaskan kenapa ini enggak menggunakan his. Coba answer, buka slide berikutnya. Nah, itu her kan? Karena ada subjek pronouns-nya itu she. Dia perempuan, bukan he, dia laki-laki. Nah, sedangkan number second-nya kan he. He has a special coat of skin on the bottom ya of his. Karena apa? Karena Anda jelaskan his itu karena subjek subjek pronouns-nya adalah he di depan tuh. He has. Maka kita bukan menggunakan tadi perbedaan antara laki-laki dan perempuan. Paham? Anda harus menjelaskannya seperti itu. Oke, next. Nanti ini revisi ya, exercise 5. Next. Oke, which is please possessive pronouns.
Possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, ours, theirs, hers, his, its. The meaning is milikku, milikmu, milik kita, milik mereka, miliknya perempuan, miliknya laki-laki, miliknya benda atau hewan.
Nah, ya kayak gini. Oke, exercise 6.
Exercise 6, circle the correct pronoun.
Nah,
Number
ini
1.
jawabannya bagus ya. Circle the correct pronouns. Nah, itu yang Anda dilingkarin his atau him. Coba di answer-nya.
The answer is
Exercise
him.
Him. Nanti yang Anda tulis lingkarin him-nya. Jadi dilingkarin him-nya. Circle kan? Kalau circle kan dilingkarin. Langsung dilingkarin itu jawabannya. Jadi di slide berikutnya Anda hapus. Terlalu banyak slide ya. Tidak efektif dan efisien. Jadi it is an eksperimen ya. Experiments of him. Dilingkarin him-nya. Itu aja. Oke, the next slide. Ini direvisit ya, revisit. Exercise 6. Oke, next.
Reflexive pronouns.
Reflexive. Iya.
The mean is arti kata. Myself, diriku sendiri, yourself, dirimu sendiri, ourselves, diri kami atau kita sendiri. Themselves, diri mereka sendiri, herself, dirinya sendiri untuk perempuan, himself, dirinya sendiri untuk laki-laki, itself, dirinya sendiri untuk benda atau hewan. Introduction. Exercise 7. Complete the sentence with the correct reflexive pronouns. Number 1, penguins push along the ice using their liver.
Di answer-nya apa?
Themselves.
Themselves.
Nah, themselves-nya di bla 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 itu dikasih tanda merah. Ya.
Oke.
Oke. Next slide. Anda udah bagus buatnya. Next. Oke. Which is please.
Subject pronouns. To replace or to change the person or thing in the subject position. You can use the pronoun below. The pronouns for the person, we can use I, you, we, they, she, he. And for the thing, we can use it. The example, subject I know Emily. You know Emily. We know Emily. They know Emily. She know Emily. He know Emily. It is nice. Object pronouns. To replace or to change people or things at the object position, you can use the pronouns below. For pronouns to people, we can use me, you, us, them, her, him. And for the thing, we can use it. The example, object me. Emily knows me. You, Emily knows you. And us, Emily knows us. And them, Emily knows them. Her, Emily knows her. Him, Emily knows him. It, I like it. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are not used to replace noun, but to modify or give a simple explanation or of the property of an object. Possessive adjectives are used in the following pattern. Possessive adjective plus a noun. Subject pronoun I to possessive pronoun, possessive adjective to be my. And the example possessive adjective plus noun is my book. You, your book. We, our book. They, their book. She, her book. He, his book. It, its university. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used as possessive pronouns. It is used, possessive pronouns cannot be followed by a noun. The noun being replaced is now from the context of the sentence. You can see a list from possessive pronouns below. Subject pronouns I to possessive adjective to be my. Possessive pronouns it's mine. You, your, yours. We, our, ours. They, their, theirs. She, her, hers. He, his, his. It, its. Example possessive pronouns. It is my money, it's mine. It is your money, it's yours. It is our money, it's ours. It is her money, it is their money, it's theirs. It is his money, it's his. It is her money, it's hers.
Come on. Refleksi pronouns.
Reflex pronouns, subject pronouns, object pronouns, reflex pronouns. I, me, myself, you, yourself, we, us, ourselves, they, themselves, he, her, herself, he, him, himself, it, itself. Example.
Example reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun, myself, the sentence, I get myself a job. Yourself, you get yourself a job. Ourselves, we get ourselves a job. Themselves, they get themselves job. Herself, she get herself job. Himself, he get himself job. Itself, my cat licks itself. Introduction. Exercise A, correct relative pronoun error where necessary in the following sentence. Number 1, there are 18 different kinds of penguin who live south of the equator.
Nah, this is the answer-nya which. Nah, langsung berarti coba Bex ya. There are 18 different. Sorry. There are 18 different kinds of penguins whom live itu bacanya. Live south of the equator, which berarti which-nya itu dipindahkan di sini. Sentences which di situ ya. Of the equator, sorry. Live short of the equator, which?
Yes, ma'am.
Di mana? Di mana kamu taruh which-nya? Oh, di sini ya. Ini dihapus saja, di delete
Yes, ma'am.
ya. Ditaruh which-nya, peletakan which-nya di mana? Coba kita back to the exercise H-nya. Nah, ya. Which-nya taruh di mana? Diletakkan di mana?
After penguin.
Penguins. Mana? Coba dibaca. Which is please. There are
18 different kinds of penguins which live south of the equator.
Nah, jadi whom-nya hilang. Di delete whom-nya.
Yes, ma'am.
Whom-nya di delete, diganti which. Dikasih tanda merah.
Oke.
Oke, dan seterusnya. Oke, next slide. Next, ya, oke.
Exercise from the four underlined word or phrases A, B, C, or D. Identify the one that is not correct.
Identify.
Identify the one that is not correct. Number 1, the penguin chicks cannot go into the water to get themselves own food until they have waterproof coats of feathers like their parents.
Nah, di answer-nya mana?
The answer is penguin's chick A.
Coba. Back lagi. Penguin chicks-nya Berarti analysis error-nya penguin chicks ya. The penguin chicks Anda itu penguin chicks. The penguin chicks-nya itu dikasih warna green misalnya.
Yes, ma'am.
Paham?
Yes.
Paham nggak? Itu
Paham.
jawabannya. The best answer-nya the penguin chicks. Jadi nggak perlu yang tadi selat di answer tadi dibuang ya, di delete ya. Langsung
I'm
dikasih.
sorry, ma'am.
Ya.
Jadi itu soal langsung jawaban ya?
Iya.
Oh, oke.
Gampang kan? Ya coba di answer-nya slide. Nah, the penguin chicks Berarti kan ini kan jawabannya A. Ya Anda tinggal diwarnain saja.
Oh.
Ini menandakan bahwa tanda yang green ini, hijau ini adalah the best answer. Gitu. Jadi kan di sini kan to fall nih ya, from the four underline the phrases A, B, C, or D. Nah, ini jadi mana yang kalimat yang
correct
untuk jawaban di number 1 gitu. The best answer-nya adalah the penguin chicks. Maka the penguin chicks-nya Anda dikasih warna membedakan dari yang lain. Cannot go into ya the water ya gitu ya. Yang lain tetap hitam, ini the penguin chicks-nya diwarnain green misalkan. Atau green ya. Nah, atau yellow atau apa lagi? Red. Red merah biasanya. Nah, itu boleh dan seterusnya. Number second juga sama, number third juga sama, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9. Oke?
Oke.
Ya. Number ya, begitu juga 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Terus next. Oke, basic pronouns table. Choose please.
Basic pronouns table. Subject, did it singular use I. Object shall use me. Possessive adjective book use my. Possessive pronoun it is use mine. Reflexive heart is use myself. for singular. Use I, you, she, he, it, and plural use we, you, they. And object show is me, you, her, him, it, us, you, them. For possessive adjective, use my, your, her, his, its, our, your, their. And possessive pronoun, it is use mine, yours, hers, his, ours, yours, theirs. And reflexive heart, it's use myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves.